If you thought Montana Republicans might back off in their criticisms of the Supreme Court and the state judiciary, think again. The state Republican Party has sent out a mailer directly attacking the Supreme Court and saying the court should be investigated. Let's catch up on the latest in this ongoing story. The full-color mailer went out over the weekend, saying the 7-member court must be investigated for recent actions involving lobbying, access to court emails, and alleged conduct violations. What it doesn't say is that Republicans at the legislature have already created and funded a special committee to carry out this investigation. It also doesn't mention that much of this controversy involves active cases before the Supreme Court, including the challenge of a new law that gives Republican Governor Greg Gianforte more power to fill vacancies on state courts. The state Republican Party wouldn't say how much it spent on the mailer or how many copies it mailed across the state. In the past several weeks, Republicans have been criticizing state judges for lobbying on bills before the legislature. They say the lobbying shows that judges are prejudiced against laws they might be called on later to decide their constitutionality. But Supreme Court Chief Justice Mike McGrath says it's perfectly normal for judges to advise the legislature on bills that affect the judiciary, and the Supreme Court justices generally do not take positions on these bills. McGrath did take a position on the Gianforte judge appointment bill, but has removed himself from that case. District Judge Matthew Wald of Hardin has been appointed to take McGrath's place on that one case. McGrath also wrote a letter last Friday to the investigatory committee, saying the judiciary has not violated any lobbying rules or email policies. Democrats in the legislature say the GOP effort is nothing more than an attempt to smear the judiciary, which will be called on to rule on Republican-passed laws that Democrats say are clearly unconstitutional. As this political battle continues, so do the court cases. The last legal argument on the judicial law challenge is due May 11th, and then the Supreme Court will decide the law's constitutionality. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.